Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with the hair video, but first let's take a moment for the hair growth. The hair is growing, so it's time to put some clip-ins in, and today I'm showing you guys clip-ins from Curlsqueen. This is their light yaki texture. So here's how the hair comes packaged. You get cute little goodies as well as a info and description card, and then the clip-ins. So for me, I'm just going to jump right in to show you guys how I install the clip-ins. Since my hair is already straightened, the process is super easy. And if you're doing this yourself at home, it literally should take no more than like 20 minutes. You can put them in however you like. Things to consider would be the density of your hair, the length of your hair. I find that when my hair is like cut bluntly, it's harder to blend the clip-ins in. So for me, I like to have my hair a little more grown out. So I'm just showing you guys how I install the clip-ins. Of course, how you install them on your own head would probably look different. One thing I don't do is make perfect parts anymore because you can't see the parts. The thing is to get the hair in and to make sure that it blends. So that's what I'm here to show you guys today. I'm here to show you that all you need is one set. The set that I have is 18 inches long. I just wanted something a little shorter this time around because y'all know I have clip-ins like 24, 26, 30 inches. And yeah, I just wanted to go 18 this time. So I did dye the clip-ins black so they'll match my hair color. Of course, if you wanted to lighten them, you could dye them black like me, you could. The options are endless.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Come up in your mouth, you speak good to me.
Also, if you want to make sure that the hair is blending, just don't hesitate to look in the mirror every now and again. I used to clip my clip-ins in really close together, but you really don't have to. So I do kind of leave a bit of a gap, and this is how you make the one set work for you. So the space I leave in between the clip-ins are generous. So you just want to make sure that what you're doing actually blends with your hair, and all that matters is the final product. It doesn't matter how you clip them in because no one can see that. So I love my clip-ins. I haven't worn clip-ins in so long actually. I was growing out my bang. My hair was like damaged. It was just a lot. I wasn't happy with my hair, so I didn't want to put clip-ins in because they're supposed to be easy, and if I'm struggling to make them blend, or like I just feel like I have too many short pieces, I don't even bother. So my hair is growing, the clip-ins are blending so easily. I love that for me. And this isn't even all of them installed. Do you see how good these blend and how good they look? Like, love that for us. So I'm just going to keep clipping these in, and I'll be back when I'm finished.
I ain't been like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you. I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on her, now we mad because you let me say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. But you still give me head if I had patience. I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. Brush it off when you tie me off, you know.
Once I get to the top, I use the last four two clip pieces, two on each side, and I kind of angle the part like diagonally so that the hair from the clip in falls towards my face. This helps to camouflage short pieces, so if like some of your pieces in the front were as long, this is just an easier way to blend that. So this is the only way I do the top pieces now, and I just love how it looks. I'm not constantly like tucking my front pieces, which is so annoying, but my bang is also growing out, so I'm so happy about that. I just can't stress that enough, you guys. I was over that bang as soon as I got it. It was just all in my eyes, it was just all in my face. I just couldn't take it. So I love that my front pieces are growing out.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you. I don't. You got some high hopes.
Yeah, this is all of the hair. Well, this isn't all of the hair clipped in. I did have like two pieces out of the set left over. So I just want to show you guys how it looks from the back and how long the 18-inch is on me. I feel like 18 inches used to be so short back in the day. Like this is a long 18, but I'm not complaining. This literally looks like my hair. I love a light yaki texture. Here's the texture up close.
High hopes.
But anywho, I took the clip-ins out. Now I'm going to show you guys how to position the clip-ins in if you want to wear a ponytail. And I love me a good clip-in ponytail. My little ponytail, it's cute, but I want something a little longer and fuller. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. You also don't need the whole set for that either. I use maybe 6 pieces out of the set. The key is to clip the clip-ins in the back upside down till you get halfway, and then the clip-ins in the front, you just lay them straight to the back. And you have a nice, flat, undetectable ponytail. I know some people do like they put the middle in a ponytail and then they wrap the clip-ins around the ponytail in the middle. That doesn't work for me. I like to part my hair and clip the clip-ins in that way. It just looks better to me. So, yeah. Throughout the process, I'm checking to see where I need to lay more clips at, and I like how my natural ponytail, like, it's kind of some short pieces in there, so I want my clip-in ponytail to look exactly the same because it just looks more natural. um I don't want it all to be like the same length. I like when a few hairs stick out. It gives it a natural look, a little character. Like, I love that. So that's all I'm doing. And we're going for a cute, messy ponytail. I don't want it to be super structured, super slick down. I just want it to give natural. So 2 ponytail holders do the trick. I feel like one doesn't make it tight, two makes it tight. So that's all I did there. And I am doing a little 1-2 with the edges. I am going to go ahead and curl them with my pencil flat iron. And now I use foam on my edges. I like how it holds better. It doesn't like melt. Like edge control just melts away. I can't explain it. Like it just disappears. So with the foam lotion or setting foam, whatever this is, I'll list it down below. It just, they stay literally all day. I can go to sleep and still wake up and my edges are in place. So I love that. That's all I do now with my edges and my sideburns. And this is literally it. The ponytail looks so good. She looks so natural. I like, my little pieces hanging out at the top. It just gives the ponytail a more natural look, if you ask me. You can also do a bun. So I'm going to show you guys how that looks. I'm going to show you how it looks really nice and flat all the way around. No, like who's clocking it? Nobody. Thanks. So yeah, I'll be sure to list all of Curlsqueen's hair information in the description box for you guys, as well as the link to the clip-ins that I am wearing and all the other products that I used in this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.